I'm going to be showing you guys how to get everything unlocked in Toca Life World completely for free. So as you can see, I unlocked everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Promo code, guys. It works on iPhone and Android. And by the way, guys, this is not like one person watches the video gets the promo code. Nobody else can do it. Everyone in this video gets a promo code. You unlock all locations, everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's go into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy and it totally worked. Guys, so as you can see, I unlocked all the locations in Toca Life World. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this onto your device, guys. It is super insane and fully works. So as you can see, everything is here. We can build whatever we want. Guys, it is time to become a Toca Life World Master. So look at me. As you can see, I've unlocked everything. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and get on your browser, go to this site, and once you're here, guys, find the Toca Life World, press on it, press this pink button. This will start generating your promo code. Now, bear in mind, it is going to ask your email address, so make sure you go ahead and put that in. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to go ahead and load up. All right, so let's just give it a second here to go ahead and load. So anyway, once it's done, it's going to ask your email address, guys. So let's just wait for this to load, and then we have to go ahead and put in our email. So let's go ahead and enter that right here, as you can see. All right, so after you put that in, go ahead and press continue. It's going to say activating your reward, and then you just want to go ahead and press like I agree, and you might have to do a survey, which is kind of stupid, but I will walk you guys through the entire process. So as you can see, it says do the survey, so let's go ahead and do that. So you just got to answer all the questions to the best of your ability. So after you answer all the survey questions, guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and basically press like I agree and continue. So let's just do this right here, as you can see. So I reached the end, so I'm going to press I agree and continue, and then you just got to do like a deal or whatever maybe. So peace out, guys. I know Toca Life World isn't cheap. I'm not trying to pretend it is, and I got everything unlocked, as you can see. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is crazy, bro. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, and you don't have to do anything goofy, guys. So get the word out, bro. This is wild. It's time to share everyone's method. This is so cool, guys. So I will see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys.